So guys, if you're also facing the issue of Snapchat SS06 device ban issue, then friends, in today's video, I will tell you how can you fix this issue by using three methods. In our first method, open your browser and here search Snapchat account log. Then tap on the first official website and here friends, scroll down your page and tap on this option and then scroll down your page and tap on the contact Snapchat support. So after then friends, our official Snapchat support form will be open. Like you can see here, you need to tap on this option. First of all, tap on this option, scroll down your page and tap on this option. I see an error message when I log in. Simply tap on this option and then scroll down your page. And friends, in this form, first of all, fill your username, your Snapchat's account username, and friends, fill the email address, then mobile number, and friends, here. And you can also describe the exact issue which you are facing. After describing your issue, simply tap on the submit option. So as you tap on the submit option, then Snapchat support team will review your request and all the update regarding your request issue you will get on the mail from Snapchat support. And friends, in our second method, open your Play Store or App Store and check is your Snapchat application is updated or not. For example, if a Snapchat application update is available, then simply update your Snapchat application and then log in your Snapchat account. And friends, if still you are facing the issue of SS06 device ban issue, in that situation you can use dual mode feature, and by using dual mode feature you can create Snapchat dual application and you can use on that application. And guys, in our third method, open your browser and search Snapchat SS06 device ban Adityayan and then tap on this website. And friends, in this website, scroll down your page. Like you can see, I'm scrolling on this page. Simply scroll down your page and here you will find older application. So guys, sometimes if your device is so old, that means your phone is so old, and if you are using the latest version of Snapchat application, and friends, if there is a compatibility issue of latest version with your older phone, then you will face this kind of device ban issue. So to check this exact reason, you can use the older version application and by this you can check. So friends, follow these three methods properly to fix this issue of Snapchat SS06 device ban. And if you have any questions or doubt, please ask me in the comment and please subscribe to our channel.